Now, why can you not see your junk mail on the iPhone? Let's explain that. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing as I have plenty of tutorials which are going to help you out. So go and do that and I'll see you later. So you can go to your mail application on the iPhone, and obviously when you click on the mailboxes at the top, you need to ensure that all of the mailboxes are visible and that you are browsing the proper one, because you might be checking out the Gmails, iCloud emails, and they all have like their own dedicated sections and folders right in here. So for example, you can click on the edit button and some additional options are going to appear. So those that are selected will be shown to you at all times, and those which are hidden will simply not be there. And for example, in my case, I don't have the trash or junk mail folder selected, and therefore it doesn't even show up when I go to my mailboxes on the iPhone mail app. So I just want you to check the little circle next to them, and then the junk messages will always be visible. So that would be, of course, through the built-in or Apple's mail client. Keep in mind that you don't have to stick with that one, as for example, the Gmail app can be used for all of your mailboxes as well. And it's not from Apple, it's just a different app from the App Store, of course. And there you have some different features. So in case this like Apple's Blue Mail app doesn't work out the best for you, you can explore different clients and log in with the same accounts, but through a Gmail instead of the Apple's mail. So just a reminder that you can explore some different mail clients if the features are not good enough for you in one of them. So that's it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find your junk mail, and I'll see you later.